I don't think kilala yung Phuket sa pagiging
Uy, diba?
travel.
Dito siguro yung main,
Sobrang talaga sa akin.
sobrang isa. Kasi iniisip ko na ano yun, may ganun sa
Ay, wala ka na. Ibo-voice over ko na lang. Wow! Uy, ang ganda ng kwarto. Dalawang kwarto.
Hi guys, good morning. It's Alexo and for this video, share ko lang yung Thailand trip. So today in Phuket and for I think we only have one activity. For this morning, that would only be the Elephant Jungle Sanctuary. Nabook namin siya sa Klook. So I think ang pick up namin is around 8:30 AM. So, mas ngayon ay around 6. So, ang plan is mag-breakfast muna kami. And then after that, alam ko susunduin kami and then punta kami ng location. So, freshen up muna tayo. Hilamos muna tayo and then gigisingin ko na yung mga kasama ko para makapag breakfast na kami. Pakita ko yung banyo. Medyo malaki yung banyo. And the usual bathtub. And yung sliding window. Napapansin ko lang kung other Asian countries. Laging may sliding window. Laging nabubuksan. I don't know why. Anyway. So, hilamos muna ako and then gigisingin ko na yung mga kasama ko para makapag-almusal muna kami. Share ko muna yung yung view ng room ng mga kasama ko. Wait lang. Wala. Ooh, nice. Pero I think mas maganda yung view namin kasama. Kasi may balcony. Wait lang. Oops. Nice. Wait lang. So, kita yung yung area, buong area. Ayan yung beach. So, lang. Double check ko mamaya kung saan beach kami. Pero, alam ko malapit lang kami sa Patong Beach. Yun yung familiar ako kasi nakapunta na ako sa Phuket before. So, maganda yung nakuha namin. Actually, mura lang namin itong nakuha itong buong room. I think mga 3,500 or 4K kami each. So, sa lang namin ito nabook sa Agoda. We didn't expect na it's gonna be big. Akala lang namin parang typical hotel. So, apparently it's very, very spacious. And, wait lang.
tayo sa elephant.
Yeah. Wait, pero napakita ko muna yung Wow. Hindi ka. Ito yung mapa nung buong resort. Hindi lang. Laki nandito kami sa may ito bilog na to. Yes, nandito kami kagabi sa lobby. Pinick up lang kami nung parang yung sabi 72 hours na open na parang car. So pipick upin kami dito. Pinick up kami dito sa may lobby and then hinatid kami paakyat sa building 7 kami. Dito yung room namin. I guess akala namin, akala ko kagabi, kaya siya lakarin kaso sobrang taas. Sobrang taas. Ang ina mo! Sobrang taas. Anyway, mukhang hindi. Or baka siguro pagod lang kami ng gabi. Tapos, sitting room namin, dito yung pool. Blue Horizon Restaurant, Pool and Star Bar. And then, dito tayo nakakain, no? Hoy, dito tayo kakain.
Yes.
Blue Horizon. Ay, wait lang, sa baba lang to eh. Nakita ko to sa baba eh.
Hindi.
Ipagbaba natin, yung sa may palaka. May pababa dun eh. Parang ito yun.
Oo, yung ano, yung may escalator.
Kaso wala akong tiwala sa sobra. Ayun. Kaso wala akong tiwala sa mga kasama ko. Medyo ligawin to mga. Anyways, yun lang. First activity namin, elephant. Ang problema, wala si Alex.
Sawadika.
Nasa si Alex?
Sawadika. Sawadika.
Sawadikap. Sawadikap!
Sawadika.
Sawadikap! Ilay na umaawi, tumaawi, mula kusina hanggang sa sala. So, we're now heading out to our breakfast. So, sa Blue Horizon Bar kami. Hindi ko alam kung sasakay kami or wait, pupuntahan lang talaga namin. Okay, so breakfast first before our elephant sanctuary activity later. Kasama sa accommodation namin, kasama sa binayaran namin sa accommodation is yung breakfast. So, buffet siya, buffet style. So, nakakuha na ako. For this morning, they have the typical options sa mga breakfast. Masaya ako na meron silang available na hard-boiled eggs and chicken teriyaki. Konti lang kinuha ko kasi breakfast. Hindi na talaga ako masyado nagbe-breakfast. Siguro ngayong vacation lang. Tignan natin. Madali na kasi ako mabusog eh. Anyway, I'm just waiting for my friends na makuha nila yung sa kanila and then start namin ng breakfast. Wait, pakita ko yung view. It reminds me of someone. Hiwala yung itlog. Baboy. Come on guys, let's eat. Para makaano tayo sa activity natin. Hello guys, so we are already at the Elephant Sanctuary. So we have already presented our vouchers. So I think yung armband na lang, and then I think we need to go inside na. For this trip, we chose the feed and shower experience to allow us to interact closely with the elephants in an ethical manner. We are going to start our Elephant Sanctuary tour. Okay. The tour started with a briefing about the elephants, where they were rescued from, their behaviors, and some important safety guidelines for interacting with them.
We have many granny here. We have many grannies. Okay. The oldest ones.
Afterwards, we moved on to the main event, which was meeting and feeding the elephants. Karamihan sa mga elepanteng nakita namin were rescued from various places, and all of them now call this sanctuary their home. Most of them are pretty old na. The one we interacted with is around 80 years of age.
Do like this. Elephant grab your hand.
These elephants are small compared to their African counterparts, but to be honest, meeting them face to face is a bit intimidating. So it's really important to keep a few safety tips in mind while we interact with them. Kasama na pala sa binayaran namin yung free photography. So may kasama ng taga-picture,
Kaya siya yung nag-a-assess sa amin, nag-a-assist kung paano kami magpo-post and all.
Ayun yung kaya hari. Lapit ka. Kineri mo na ang pagpapakain.
Meron ka na. We're all good. I've already fed the elephant with a rice ball. It's made of pellets, squash, rice. Ano pa ba yun?
Tamarind.
Yeah, tamarind. And then some bananas. We're all good. Tara. Let's wash na. We're done with activity. Bye-bye. 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 Nice meeting you.
This is the end of the video. See you guys on my next vlog. Thanks for watching. Bye.
fix